Hello friends, you're learning English alphabet and its sound. A for apple. A double P L E apple. B for book. B double O K book. C for cat. C A T cat. D for dog. D O G dog. E for egg. E double G egg. F for fish. F I S H fish. G for goat. G O A T goat. H for hen. Is E N hen. I for ink. I N K ink. J for jug. J U G jug. K for kite. K I T E kite. L for lion. L I O N lion. M for mango. M A N G O mango. N for net. N E T net. O for orange. O R A N G E orange. P for pen. P E N pen. Q for queen. K U double E N queen. R for rose. R O S E rose. Sun. S for S U N sun. T for tiger. T I G E R tiger. U for uncle. U N C L E uncle. V for vase. V A S E vase. W for water. W A T E R water. X for X-ray. R A Y ray. Y for yam. Y A M yam. Z for zoo. Z double O zoo.